Enhancing personal skills, a journey of continuous improvement. Unlocking your potential for a brighter future. In the ever-evolving landscape of the modern world, enhancing personal skills has become a cornerstone of professional and personal success. Success. Whether you aspire to advance in your career, foster meaningful relationships, or simply strive for personal growth, the journey to improving your skills is both rewarding and transformative. This story delves into the strategies and philosophies that can guide you on this path. The importance of self-awareness.
The first step in improving personal skills is cultivating self-awareness. Understanding your strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement is essential. This introspective journey begins with honest self-reflection.